Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can edit or create a photo collage on Canva. Canva is a really powerful platform where you can design or edit anything you want, including graphics, visuals, photo editing, and even video editing. So, to make a photo collage, you just need to type photo collage and you'll find various options available here. Alright, these are the paid ones, but you don't have to worry because there are tons and hundreds of free options as well. So this is a free version maybe. Alright, let's go with this one. I like this one, and Canva makes it very simple. It's very beginner-friendly. Alright, this is the design I like, so let's customize this one. To change the text, you can just click on it and edit it however you like this. And if you want to change the color of this element, just select the object and you'll see the option to change the color. In a similar way, if you want to replace any photos, just go to Upload on the left sidebar and go to Upload File. For example, this is the file I want to replace with, alright? So this is another one, alright, and this will be another one. So in this way, you can replace any images in the templates. If you want to add any other images, then you can go to Elements and just type in what photos you want, and go to Photos, and in this way you can replace whatever images you want. So yes, you can customize everything as you like, and it's really simple. Within a few minutes, you can create a photo collage to save your memories or to post on Instagram or other social media. So, after customizing all the templates, if you are ready to export, then to export, go to Share and click Download, and you'll see multiple options for formats depending on which format you want to export. So in that way, just download it and you're good to go. This is a simple way to create a photo collage in Canva. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.